Let the dancing begin.
The almighty street beef.
Now it's time for my deep conditioner, and this is how I do with my deep conditioner. You guys know that I say Ayurvedic hair treatment, right? So I must use it, and here's my treatment which I've already done. I'm going to mix it with this deep conditioner I showed you guys in the other video. So right now I'm just mixing my Ayurvedic hair treatment, the coconut one, because I mixed this one with the coconut oil. I have another one I used olive oil, so this is coconut oil treatment. Remember I told you guys the deep conditioner is to moisturize your hair and treat your hair. So this one is like it moisturizes the hair so well, and I accompany my deep treatment, my Ayurvedic hair treatment, to treat my hair. I hope you all understand. Here is it. So guys, now it's time to use the deep conditioner, and since my hair is a little bit dry, I want my hair to be damp, because it's always good to use products on your hair when your hair is damp. So I'm going to use my fenugreek seed water. I told you guys water, yes, but fenugreek seed is best to use. I have a video on it which I'm going to link on my description box. You can check how to do yours at home. So I'll just spray a little bit of it on my hair. So here is the mixture. And this is the quantity I'm going to be using. I might add more, depends. You do this in order to make the products really get into your hair strands. So guys, check out. It's defining my curves. I'm going to twist it. so there's a little bit of excess. I'll just put it. I put this deep conditioner on my scalp because of my Ayurvedic hair treatment. My Ayurvedic hair treatment really treats the scalp, so I always put it on my scalp. My Ayurvedic hair treatment enhances growth, it prevents breakage, it makes your hair to be darker, and it prevents dandruff. The next thing you need to do is, okay, you need to have this, and this. I'm going to put this on my hair. Second, this, so that I can have a lot of heat. And this one is going to like help to put a lot of heat on your hair. I'll do this for 15 minutes. I'll put heat on my hair for 15 minutes, then leave my hair out of this for 15 minutes. The heat is going to help the product to get into your strands very well, because you need heat for your hair. It's true that we don't need a lot of heat for our hair, but when you put a treatment, it's good to always use heat so that the treatment can get straight into your hair strands. Okay, so I'll do this for 15 minutes, then my hair will be out for 15 minutes. I'm going to leave this treatment on my hair for 30 minutes, then I'm going to wash it off. Okay. I'm going to put the link of this down in my description box so that if you need it, you can get it. So I'm just going to put this in the socket right now. It's been 30 minutes and now it's time for me to wash my hair. So this is how my hair looks right now. My hair is so soft, very soft and moisturized. So guys, right now I'm going to wash my hair to remove the treatment and all. Here's the end result after removing my deep conditioner. Just see how moisturized and curly my hair is. Wow. So this is how I use my deep conditioner, and this is the end of this video. Guys, I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification button so that each time I upload the new video, you're going to see it. Okay, so this is the end of this video. See you guys in my next video on how I put my leave-in conditioner. Okay.
Let the dancing begin.